April 4, and our scripture for today is Revelation chapter 21, verse 1 to 4. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away, and there was no longer any sea. I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride, beautifully dressed for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, Look, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and he will dwell with them. They will be his people, and God himself will be with them and their God. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. So maligayang araw sa ating lahat. Ako si Aaron John Lumbang. Ito ang aking daily devotion para sa araw na ito. At yung tatalakayin natin paksa ay tungkol sa katapusan nga ba ng panahon at ano ang eschatology. No? So, simulan natin. Kung sa lahat, ang eschatology ay isang aral tungkol sa ang huling last things God's plan for the future, no? Including Christ's return, yung huling hatol, final judgment, and the renewal of all things. So, while some approach the future na may ibang tao na pag nakikita yung hinaharap ng kinabukasan or yung rapture, naisip na natatakot sila. But, the Bible teaches us na that God's sovereignty extends to the end of history. Kung bakit sinasabi dito, yung kapangyarihan, yung His rule, His order, His system, His power over things. Kahit sa end of history, end of the world, kumbaga, may kapangyarihan ng Panginoon at siya rin ang may control. So for believers, eschatology dapat is not about fear, it's not about speculation, it's not about problems, it's not about the world is gonna end and mawawala lahat ng mahal sa buhay, kundi it is about hope. No? Kasi Christ will return and justice will prevail. So, yung kingdom ng Panginoon ay fully enact, marirealize yun. So, yun yung kailangan natin maalala doon. Pagdating sa rapture, hindi ito pangwakas na lahat na masama ay pupunta sa impyerno, kundi dapat this is the blessed hope, no? Na hinahanap-hanap ng mga Kristiyano na babalik ang Panginoon at mawawalan ng problema, mawawalan ng sakit, mawawalan ng kasalanan, at babalik tayo sa direct presence ng Diyos, no? So, tignan natin ating mga teachings, or basically sa mga naalala ko sa teachings. Yung una sa lahat, God is in control. First of all, kahit sa end of history yan, may kapangyarihan ng Diyos, may sovereignty siya, na siya ang gumawa ng lahat. He's the creator of all things, sustainer of all things, and kung ano mang mga bagay nangyari ay pinahingin tulutan ng Diyos. Kasama na rin doon ang pagwakas ng kasaysayan, pagwakas ng mundo, binato or rapture. In the end of days, God controls all things. And in that sense din, ang Panginoon rin ay dadating in all His glory. And within all His glory, He will return in victory. No? So, what we're aiming to see is that in all His glory, na makita natin na it's yung prophecy, maliligtas tayong lahat, at maliban doon, tayong lahat, or it signals a new era, kumbaga, an era where death, suffering, sickness, pain, sin is gone. No? So, hindi na tayo magiging malungkot, hindi na tayo magkakasakit, hindi na tayo magkakaproblema sa isa't isa. At sa ganun, magiging maayos ang mundo at babalik tayo sa original na intention, the original creation, how we were meant to be before the first sin. So, yun lamang. Sana po nakatulong ako sa eschatology. At maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat at mabuhay.